Hello guys, welcome back to another video inside mathematics, and in this video we are going to look into this question. Given log 3 is equals to 0.4771 and log 5 equals to 0.6990, and we need to evaluate log 45. So log AC is equals to log A plus log C. So let us put a base B here. This is law number 1 in logarithmic concept, where when you're having a digit like this, so in this case we are having log 45. So log 45 is in base 10. If we are to split this 2, it means we are getting log 9 times 5. So by the end of the day, we are going to have log 9 times 5 bracket here equals to log 9 plus log 5. So after getting that, it means we are going to say log, then we apply the law of logarithm, especially of exponent in logarithms, where 9 is 3 over 2 plus log 5 here. So here we take the exponent to the other side, then it means to be 2 log 3 plus log 5. And we are already given we have already given the values of log 3, and log 3 is nothing but 0.4771. So here we are going to take log 5, which is 0.6990. So when you multiply 2 times 1, we get 2 times 7, 14, we get 1, 14 again, plus 1, 15, then 8 plus 1, 9, and 0, plus 0.6990. So we are going to add these two. So 0.9542 plus 0.6990. Do addition. Here we get 2. Here we get 3, carry 1. We get 5, we carry 1 again. We get 6, carry 1. So here is our answer. So log 45 is equals to 1.6532. So this is our solution. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.